everyone, my name is Nayeli. Today I'm going to show you how rain is formed. These are the things we need for this experiment. Hot water, a jar, some ice cubes, and a plate. Let's start. I'm gonna pour the hot water in the jar. Remember, you have to ask your mommy for help if you need it. Now let's take our plates and put it in on top of the jar. After a few seconds, let's put the ice cubes on the plate. Observe what is happening. As you can see, the water went up the warm air, and when it hit the cool plate, it turned into little tiny water drops that came back down. This is how rain is made. The waters in the river, lakes, ponds, streams evaporate up and stick together and turn into a rain cloud, and they go back down as tiny droplets called rain. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.